It's me! Super Shelter! Yeah, happy 4th of July! Explosives!
Oh yeah, I actually want to. So yeah, if you want to see cool fireworks, go on my channel. I want to see that blue ball. It's over, isn't it?
Oh!
Yeah!
Woo! Woo!
Yeah, the blue. Let's walk here like in blue.
Come on. Yeah!
I was laughing at you.
Whoa, this is fucking fireworks, guys! Come on! Yeah!
Remember guys, these fireworks are Beyblade. If I talk about Beyblade all my videos.
Yep.
Walk in.
Oh, these are really nice. I'm so sorry, I need to get good filming.
Sorry, no,
Sorry. Good, I'm getting good screening finally. I'm gonna have to hold it. Woohoo!
You guys see the blue?
Wow!
Not my camera, really.
These are so cool.
I don't see it.
Woo! At first my filming was horrible.
This is what you want to do.
Oh, I wasn't getting it good. You could only see the fireworks barely. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make more videos. I'm gonna have to make like 3 because these are gonna be a while.
I think I'm just gonna make one. No one is for Beyblade. Fireworks are cool. If I get a July special, except the blue one. Oh, it's so
That's really pretty.
Colors aren't coming up on my camera that good, but whatever.
Sorry everybody, I'm the laziest YouTuber ever because I don't want to film the fireworks.
Oh, my arms are getting so tired.
I know. Yeah, I don't want to make one. Oh wow, these are so pretty.
The fireworks after Beyblade.
Ken. There you go. Oh shoot, Grenade. So, don't know. Akira.
Oh, rainbow.
Rainbow Dash. I don't like that show. I just have to say something. Boom! I could barely even see my screen.
That's 3.
Yeah.
That's also
2 frees in a row.
10.
Ken Midori.
You guys just can't.
Ball.
No, mine is not. No face reveal.
Whoa, yep.
Sorry, maybe in the future.
I accidentally almost did a face reveal, but thankfully, well, those ones are really cool. Oh, aye. Wow, the big boy. Oh, I hate my seconds are longer than most seconds because I kind of wanted to sneeze. Because I have to look at the camera to watch them.
Yeah, same here. I'm looking at the camera. Enjoy the fireworks. What was that? Fireworks, maybe? My eyes.
Ooh. Pretty. Ooh la.
That was weird. I never done a crossover.
I know, it's really weird. Ooh la la.
I really
Beyblade, let it rip.
Wait, what?
Kaboom!
Sorry, I can't really see that one. I'm sorry, you guys. I can see.
Whoa, that was like, what's a Puma's planet he has?
Saturn?
Yeah, Saturn. It looks like,
That's how you learn your planets. Beyblade education
yep.
taught him planets. I
Oh, how long do you have left?
I can do as long as I want. 5 minutes.
How many seconds have you done?
5 minutes.
I've done 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Fine. That's like near the end. We'll notice once the ones are getting cool. So, ooh la la. Nice. Popcorn. I would eat some popcorn.
I know, you use a bit.
Kaboom! Ah! Boom! Boom! So should we have a video soon?
Okay, yeah. I hope you guys one more. Okay, yeah, I know we dropped a few more.
Sorry, this is really tiring.
Next school.
Oh.
That's the school right there. Yeah. Oh, actually, this one. This one.
Oh, good, I have good filming, so I can just leave it on.
Oh, I'm gonna end this one. Anyway, guys, see you later. Dark Knight is out of here. Happy 4th of July, everyone. See you on my next video, guys. Actually, after this one.
So I'm gonna keep doing this until I get to my max. So let's just watch the fireworks, everybody!
Ah, not mine.
Oh!
Stuck in super shelters, did you?
Yep.
No, this is the worst. I know being on this Sky channel. We're friends in real life.
Oh, you little! My channel's better than your channel.
I make videos, no subscribers.
Whatever. Well, I'm the stupidest.
Think what you want, guys.
Wait,
Even though my worst friend
who has a dislike? Wait,
I have a dislike on one of my
do
videos.
you have any? I don't have any. That was a good one. That was even cool. I'm getting excited. Kaboom! I think, wait, hold on. I have 7 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up at 10, which is my max. And then I'm gonna start again since I have good filming.
Whoa.
What the heck? That was like, oh, the base source thing is like splitting in pieces. Yeah, solar fragments.
There's way more than 10 of them. You should know this is called metal paper.
Burst is right there! Burst is my what? Whatever, Burst is better. One more boo! Boom, boom. Oh, come on! It was
Wait, can we do a
pretty.
review on our old video someday?
That was yummy, that cheese I ate. Whoa. Whoa, there's sheep! That was like Mickey Mouse. Just joking. Okay. Oh, wait, 8 minutes.
Oh, this one looks nice.
Fireworks, fireworks, fireworks. I know. Oh, one hit me, I'm dying. Boom! Oh, wow. Yeah, I just thought I know I said I might not, but I am, just to get you guys some views if you can't watch them, the fireworks or something. But everyone likes fireworks. Whoa, that was like a flower.
Yeah, not on this bad camera.
So it's gonna bite. Wow, that was a good one. Whoa! This one might kill me.
I feel like fireworks day, they do more fireworks. They also do fairs. Now, that's the real one.
Boom. Make an earthquake. Oh, I have to end it. So bye everybody, I'm gonna do another one.